Hey everyone, Miss Carrie here. I just wanted to share a fun project that my friends and I created for our craft night. Each month, I invite a group of friends over for some fun conversation, crafting, and of course, coffee and snacks. Everyone is welcome to bring what they already have or simply grab something from my craft room and make something new. This month was extra special because we were gifted these all-inclusive DIY kits from Crafted by C9. Inside the box, you'll find a little card with a QR code. This is where you can download the printed instructions or video tutorials. Everything is thoughtfully organized in the box and pre-sorted. We didn't have to hunt for the parts and pieces or figure out the sizes. There was also a needle and the twine and a shaping tool. The only thing we needed was scissors, and I was able to provide a set for everyone. Now, there were a lot of pieces, over 80 sets of leaves total, and with all of our chatting and laughing and catching up, we definitely took our time. The little leaves were threaded all together on the twine that was included. We did have to refer to the video and instructions to figure out this part, but it was very nice that Crafted provided those for us so that we could figure out how all of this went together. Now, once our garlands were put together, we started working on the pine cones. Once again, these were pre-sorted. We didn't have to figure out the sizes or which pieces went to each pine cone. While most of us were making the pine cones, one of the girls decided to do something a little different. She did not want to add pine cones to her garland, so she chose to work on the holiday lane houses instead. Just like the garland kit, everything for the houses came right in the box. There was glue, foam tape, and all the pieces were neatly divided and ready to go. Now, we did have to check the instructions a few times, mostly because we kept losing our place between conversations, but they were clear and easy to read. Once the pine cones came together, everyone agreed that they were absolutely adorable. Now, by the time it was close to 9 o'clock, a few of the friends needed to head home before finishing, and that's the beauty of these kits. They're simple enough to finish later, and everything you need is already here. Crafted by C9 truly designed these kits to take the stress out of crafting and put the joy back in. We spent the evening creating, talking, and enjoying a night together, making something beautiful for our homes and for the holidays. Now, if you would like to know more about Crafted by C9, I do have some additional information and a discount link I can share. Just let me know in the comments if you'd like to learn some more, and I'll send that link straight to your inbox.